So this is the spreadsheet that we're going to be using to collect the data that we need to fill out our statistical survey with. Couple of things. We're going to do two passes through this thing. The first time is just we're going to explore the column headings. The second is we'll actually fill some stuff out. Okay, to start off with, one of the things that I've built into the column headings are little tooltips, and so if you get confused, just mouse over mouse over any of the things, and it will give you a just a what this thing is like to a normal Google search, etc., etc. This is company name, and so if you get confused, just look at the tooltips. And in addition to that, one of the additional things that we've done is if you click on any of the column headings, it'll take you to a YouTube video that will explain exactly what the column heading is and give you an example of how it works. Okay, so let's talk about this spreadsheet in as a whole. One of the things to remember is that our statistical study is based upon individual unit location, and so all we care about is the information for that individual store. Like this McGee's Corner, if there's 10 of them in the nation, we do not care about any of them except the one at 5533 Deutsches Road, Anderson, California. Anything else doesn't matter. And so all the information that we're going to gather inside this thing is just for this individual store. Okay, so let's start talking about the individual data dimensions. Company name, it's pretty obvious. Address is address. Phone number, that's pretty obvious. Google Places, this is kind of interesting because what we've done is anytime you see the tiny, tiny, tiny letters, what we've done is we have inserted search parameters into the hyperlink that are based upon values in the spreadsheet, so you don't ever have to type anything in. And so to do a Google Places search, which is just Google Maps, to do a Google Places search, what you do is just click on the link, Internet Explorer will pop up, and you'll be able to answer the next questions from the link that automatically pops up when you click this. Google Places. This is a Google Places is a yes/no value. Does this particular location, does Brown's Lounge have a Google Place? And then if it does, did the owner verify that that place really does belong to him? The next thing that we do is the next dimension is Google. One of the things that's important is the next column over, which is web address. We use web address to search for mobile websites, which is the other half of the study. And so what we do is we try to get this website any way we can. And so we've just used Google Places, and we've looked for the website address with Google Places. We're going to do it again with Google. If we can find it, we put it in. If we can't, well, we've looked in those two places. The next place that we look is Bing, and so we do a Microsoft Bing search for Bing places, and if we find one, we go to the next field, which is does it exist inside of Bing? The next field that we go to is Bing does something interesting, and what they do is they graphically show all of the credit cards accepted for addresses that have a Bing place associated with them. One of the consumers of this spreadsheet is going to be American Express or the credit card brands, and so we want to find out as much about them as possible, and so that's why this is here. Again, we have web address. This is such a crucial field that we have this thing in several times, and the reason why is once you search, once we've already taken a look at Google Places, we've already taken a look at Google. One more swing through this with Bing, and hopefully we find something and we can populate this web address. If we can't find anything in Google Places, Google, or Bing, they probably don't have a web address, and so that's why we spend so much time and energy, and that's why those fields are there several times, so you can just directly data enter stuff. This next field is headquarters or branch, and basically it's whether the location is single unit or multiple unit. the next column over is auto detect location. And what auto detect location refers to is if you go to Applebee's website, Applebee's has a piece of code on their website that geodetects where the browser that you're using is coming from, and so it wouldn't give me search results back for, or if I go to the Applebee's website, I wouldn't, and I'm in North Carolina, I wouldn't see Applebee's out of California, and so that's what this auto detect location is, and we'll really look into it the next time we go through this and start putting some entries in. Is the menu present on the website? Are reservations taken on the website? I'll scrunch this down a bit so we just have a bit more room. Online ordering. Does the website accept online ordering? Gift certificates. Does the website allow for the purchase of gift certificates, whether physical or virtual? Coupons, promos. Are they accepted on the website, or are they offered on the website? Is there a mobile app link that you can use to download a mobile app to your phone or tablet? Credit cards accepted? Does the website show which credit cards are accepted? And again, here's American Express. Do they take American Express if the credit cards are shown? Is there a Facebook icon on the website? What about Twitter, LinkedIn, Urban Spoon, Yelp? Is there a newsletter subscription on the website? Is there a blog, an RSS feed, or an Atom feed? And now we're going to start talking about Facebook. One of the things that we've done is this hyperlink will take us to Facebook with the search terms associated with whatever entry we're looking up. And so the first thing that we do is we need to know if the Facebook site exists. Is it custom? How many likes? How many people are talking about it? How many people were here? Are there menus available on the Facebook site? How about online reservations on the Facebook site? Online ordering on the Facebook site? Are gift certificates or virtual gift certificates sold and available on the Facebook site? What about discounting and promotions? We're going to do the same type of thing for Twitter. We're going to learn if they tweet, how many people are following, how many followers they have, whether they're a listed brand. We're going to do a search of LinkedIn, see how many followers the location has. Same thing for Yelp. We'll see how many reviews they have. Foursquare. We'll see how many check-ins that Foursquare has. We'll see if they have a Gowalla account, and we'll say yes if they haven't the account. And so the next pass through this thing, we'll actually fill some stuff out.